Let's learn irregular verbs. It's easy and fun with us.
Send, sent, sent.
Spend, spent, spent. Build, built, built.
Lend, lent, lent.
Bend, bent, bent.
Burn, burnt, burnt.
Learn, learnt, learnt.
Mean, meant, meant.
Feel, felt, felt.
Keep, kept, kept.
Sleep, slept, slept. Let's do it again. Send, sent, sent. Spend, spent, spent. Build, built, built. Lend, lent, lent. Bend, bent, bent. Burn, burnt, burnt. Learn, learnt, learnt. Mean, meant, meant. Feel, felt, felt. Keep, kept, kept. Sleep, slept, slept. Bob's Auto Chaos. A day of messy repairs. Bob decided that his chef's hat was far too clean, so he swapped it for a mechanic's jumpsuit. First, Bob built a strange vehicle out of old spare parts. He shouted, "I build masterpieces," even though it looked like a pile of scrap metal. He spent all his savings and a lot of time on this project.
The postman, being a kind soul, lent Bob his brand new bicycle for testing. He regretted it almost immediately.
Bob sent the postman to get some coffee so he wouldn't see what was about to happen to the bike. While trying to weld the bike frame to a motor, Bob accidentally bent it into a Z shape.
Suddenly, something hissed in the corner. An old battery had burnt out because Bob tried to charge it with a kitchen mixer.
Well, I've learned something new about electricity, Bob exclaimed, wiping soot from his face. Now, let's practice all these verbs in sentences using different tenses to see how they work in context.
Send, sent, sent. Present simple, regular action. I usually send reports every Monday morning. Future simple, promise or future action. Don't worry, I will send you the location in a minute. Past simple, completed action in the past. Yesterday, I sent a long email to my boss. Present perfect, result up to the present moment. I have already sent all the invitations for the party.
Spend, spent, spent. Present simple, habit, regularity. I usually spend too much money on coffee. Future simple, future plan. I think I will spend my weekend at home. Past simple, fact in the past. Last summer, we spent 2 weeks in the mountains. Present perfect, emphasis on the result. She has spent all her salary already. Build, built, built. Present simple, general, regular action. This company builds modern houses. Future simple, future plan. I will build a small garden shed next summer. Past simple, fact in the past. They built this bridge in 1990. Present perfect, result, it's finished. Look, he has built a huge Lego castle. Lend, lent, lent. Present simple, general, regular action. I never lend my car to anyone. Future simple, a promise to help. If you need a pen, I will lend you mine. Past simple, a completed action in the past. Last week, I lent him some money for lunch. Present perfect, Item not with us now. I can't give you this book. I have already lent it to Mary. Bend, bent, bent. Present simple, general regular action. Strong wind usually bends these trees. Future simple, a decision, promise. I will bend this metal bar for you. Past simple, a completed action in the past. He bent the truth to avoid trouble. Present perfect, result, visible now. Look, you have bent my favorite glasses.
Burn, burnt, burnt.
Present simple, general or regular action. This candle burns for 10 hours. Future simple, warning, possible result. Careful, or you will burn the toast. Past simple, a completed action in the past. I burnt my finger while cooking dinner. Present perfect, result, visible now. Oh no, the chef has burnt the pizza. Learn, learnt, learned. Present simple, general or regular action. I learn something new every day. Future simple, a plan or intention. I will learn this poem by heart tomorrow. Past simple, a completed action in the past. He learnt to drive when he was 18. Present perfect, result, achieved now. I have already learnt all the irregular verbs. Mean, meant, meant. Present simple, general fact or meaning. This word means happiness in English. Future simple, future meaning or importance. I hope this gift will mean a lot to her. Past simple, a completed action in the past. I'm sorry, I meant to call you, but I forgot. Present perfect, state up to now. He has always meant well, even if it didn't look like it. Feel, felt, felt. Present simple, general, regular state. I always feel great after a workout. Future simple, prediction, result. You will feel much better after a short nap. Past simple, a completed state in the past. Yesterday, she felt a bit tired. Present perfect, state continuing to now. I have felt very happy since I moved here. Keep, kept, kept. Present simple, general, regular action. I always keep my promises. Future simple, prediction, purpose. This box will keep your secrets safe. Past simple, a completed action in the past. He kept the money in a jar under the bed. Present perfect, state continuing to now. I have kept this old photo for 20 years. Sleep, slept, slept. Present simple, general, regular action. Cats sleep about 12 to 16 hours a day. Future simple, prediction, result. You will sleep like a baby after this walk. Past simple, a completed action in the past. I only slept for 4 hours last night. Present perfect, state up to now. She is tired because she has not slept well lately. Now you have a clear system in your mind. Seeing logic where others see chaos is the real secret to learning English quickly. Write in the comments, make one sentence of your own using any verb from the list. I will check it. Subscribe, like the video if this pattern helped you, and see you in the next lessons. See ya! Bye-bye!